In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import UIs with Bloxporter, fastest Figma to Roblox plugin. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find ready-made interface templates in Figma and bring them into your Roblox project quickly and cleanly. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access and edit files. From the homepage, head to the community section. This is where creators share templates, UI kits, and components you can duplicate and reuse. In the community search bar, type Roblox. You'll see a variety of results, from full UI kits to buttons, icons, and layout packs. Take a moment to browse previews, read the file descriptions, and pick a template that matches your game's style and needs. It's a good idea to check any usage notes or licenses in the description so you know how you're allowed to use the assets. Click the template you want, then select. Open in Figma. The file will load into your editor. Give it a moment to finish loading, especially if it contains multiple pages or lots of components. Once it's open, you'll typically see several frames showcasing different screen states, menus, HUDs, and other UI elements. Navigate through the pages or layers to find the exact UI you want to bring over. Select the UI you need. It's best to select the whole frame or the top-level component so you copy every nested layer and keep the layout intact. You can use the Layers panel to confirm you've got the full frame selected. If the template uses auto layout or components, that's fine. Bloxporter handles structured frames well. Now copy the selection using the standard shortcut. Switch to the page where you want to use this UI and paste. If you're preparing this for Roblox, this is where Bloxporter shines. By pasting the copied Figma frame into your project workflow with Bloxporter, the structure, sizing, and visual details come across in a way that's ready for Roblox UI assembly. Keep an eye on naming. Clear layer and frame names make organization and future edits easier. Also, match your frame size to your target resolution so the UI scales predictably. That's the whole process. Open Figma, go to Community, search Roblox, pick a template, open it in Figma, select the UI you need, copy it, and paste it into your page. With this flow, you can prototype fast and keep your UI consistent across screens. If something looks off after pasting, double-check that you copied the entire frame and that your scale settings are consistent. Happy building!